Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare the Jeep Patriot versus Jeep Compass. We'll explore their distinct designs, performance characteristics, and interior comforts. This comparison will help you understand which compact SUV best fits your lifestyle, whether you prioritize rugged utility or modern refinement. Let's dive into the details and see how these two popular Jeep models stack up against each other. When it comes to performance, the Patriot typically offered engine options ranging from 158 to 172 horsepower. The Compass, however, often comes with a more powerful 2.0-liter turbocharged engine, delivering 200 horsepower. Both vehicles uphold Jeep's reputation for capability, offering robust four-wheel drive systems. The Patriot's Freedom Drive 2 and the Compass's Active Drive Low provide impressive off-road prowess for their class, tackling various terrains with confidence. Inside, both SUVs provide comfortable seating for five. The Patriot offers up to 53.5 cubic feet of maximum cargo space with rear seats folded. The Compass, being a newer design, typically boasts more modern amenities, including an available 10.1-inch touchscreen with the Uconnect 5 system. It also provides slightly more maximum cargo room at 59.8 cubic feet, along with advanced connectivity features for a more refined driving experience. Considering value, the Patriot often presents a more economical entry point into the Jeep brand, appealing to those seeking rugged utility on a tighter budget. The Compass, with its more modern features and efficient 2.0-liter engine, typically offers better fuel economy, achieving up to 32 highway miles per gallon. It provides a blend of contemporary design and capability. Before we wrap up, if you're looking for ways to streamline your daily routine, check out the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers, plus other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.